Hello folks, this is part 2 of the Evaporust body cavity search. Not really. Anyway, yeah, so I'll show you what accidentally leaving files in the Evaporust for 2 days does to files. So stay tuned, and this is the files. I don't know if you remembered in the other video, but they were pretty rusty. Obviously it doesn't take off paint. Doesn't take off, what do you call it, either Scotch tape. But look at that. It's not exactly the, they're not brand new, but they're not older and dirt either. So yeah, there's one. This thing, I don't know what it is, but I thought it was cool. Got some slime all over it. Slime and the coconut. Look at that. There's a whole lot of patina came off that one. This one, looks like it has some crudsies on it. Where's my little brush? Wire brush key, where are you? I always have a little wire brush on the counter here somewhere. I know, because I always get my finger jammed in this thing, see? There we go. Ta-da! Take a little bit of dirt off. I think leaving it in there long actually did penetrate a lot of it. This one, I don't know if it's... See, sometimes the files are so rusted, they get like that. Not sure, but yeah. That one's fine though. You just gotta, whoops, clean all the crud out of there. I'll show you. I've had some files that were so rusty that they were like, there was only sections that were still usable. Mind you, I've used them, which without a hitch, I should say. So yeah, it's weird. I can smell the rust. That's not weird. It's just. Anyway, if you wipe this off here, I'll show you how it looks. Ouch. What is that? That one's pretty not bad at all. And then there's the little ones here. These ones are just, these ones had a little bit of rust on them. Now they're nice and clean. See that? I know I'm throwing them on top of each other. It's a little taboo thing to do with files. So yeah, there we go. The only thing is, do I oil files? Do I put them... They say, what do you call it? I mean, I hear on other people's channels, I don't know if it's true or not, but that Evaporust has a kind of like a little rust proofing thing in it, but I don't believe it, because I've thrown stuff in the Evaporust and seen it rust right back. So, but what do you put? I'm guessing you can dip them in oil or something, but then who the hell wants oil and everything, right? This one's got some stuff in the right in there. What kind of goodies in the lines? Probably these files are probably so cheap it's not even worth doing this. But you know what? I'm not paying $10 a file for it. Who the hell cares? I'll use them. I guess you can call these cheap bastards. If I get them cheap, clean them up. They're bastard files. Or so they're called. This one's even got a hook on it, see? Well, look at that. Why is this thing getting dark? Not bad, considering. Wipe off my counter here. pretty good. I mean, you have to factor in the price of the Evaporust, but you know what? Considering the cost of the Evaporust and what it does, you could save quite a few things, especially I mean, I'm sure the price of Evaporust is less than if I had to buy all this. So we're going to put this on the side for now and continue. So stay tuned, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Ta-da!